Yeah, and we're going to have a look around and see what there is, museums, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And we'll take you with us. Hopefully have some good food, maybe a beer, who knows, ice cream, juice, coconuts,
Yes.
if we can
all that.
find it.
Right now we are in front of the National Library. It's there. We are not going there because we don't have time to read. And
I can't read Portuguese anyway.
yeah, behind at the background is the theater, the municipal theater, and it's a very beautiful building. But today is Monday, so it's shut.
Shut. Like France, everything's shut on a Monday.
No, it's not. We do have things that are open, but
Shops.
that one is shut. Yeah, we were going to take the VLT, which is the electric tram, but it was taking too long to buy the ticket, so we're just walking down here. It's nice. It's not too hot today, and there's some trees.
Yeah,
So
it's got a
we're
good
being
breeze, it's alright.
shady and pleasant walk. So see you there then. Is it on? Yes. Hello you! We are going to have lunch at a place called Angú de Gomes. Angú in Portuguese means polenta. And then lots of pieces of the cow in it. And then we can have it. Yes. Beer. This neighborhood we are, it's called Saúde, and it's a port area. It's where the boats with the slaves came first, and then around here somewhere it was where the market was. They were, trading the slaves. So we're going there soon after our lunch. That's it. It's very colorful.
I'm thirsty. I'm gonna have my beer.
And he complained because I ordered a small one.
Yeah, I didn't want a small one, but it is light.
There you go, our polenta with the things, I don't know how to say, miúdo de vaca. It's like the kidneys and heart and stuff like that from the cow with polenta. Yes,
The offal.
exactly.
I've got a sort of sausage thing, like a bit of chorizo that's been minced up. And just add chili.
Yes, I love it. No chili, no yummy. Isn't it? No chili, no yummy.
How was your meal?
It was delicious. I loved it.
It didn't last very long, did it?
No, well, it was a smaller portion.
Didn't touch the sides.
It was very nice. Recommend. Angú de Gomes. We are here, the Saúde neighborhood. It's called Little Africa, this region as well. It's quite quirky.
Although most famous for carnival, golden beaches, and world-famous landmarks, the real heart of Rio, for those in the know, lies in its downtown, most notably in Saúde and the surrounding neighborhoods hard by the port. For it's this area that's steeped in a complex history that dates back half a millennium to the Portuguese colonizers, founding of Rio, and the centuries of brutal slavery which followed.
There you go. That is the Pedra do Sal. Horrible stuff. But nowadays it's a cultural. You have some art. We're mad about Gomes.
There's loads of them over here. And they still make them? And they still make them, so they're still using the old factory parts and things. They still make the parts over here. So they made them under license from VW, I suppose. But they've got a different engine in now. And a few more other bits and pieces. But I think they still make the old thing as well.
No.
No, that must be. Yeah. We love it.
And we are just arriving at the Museu do Amanhã. You know, that one that looks like a boat outside. Here is Praça Mauá. We are. And it's a pier area, Pier Mauá. It's just there, show the museum.